All right. Oh my God! Like, let's take a quick look on how to style the spring twist. And sometimes I always tell you that it is very, very important to have a good finish. We can do all things. We can play it. We can choose good hairstyles, but all in all, you need to have the good finishing. So let's see on how to style the spring twist, and this is going to be somehow very, very simple. So I would like you to give me your attention, and I will follow all these steps because what I know, this is going to help you. It is giving you some basics, yes, to know how you can style spring twist, or you can style some other crochets. So if it's your first time to be on my channel, please, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper, and thank you so much for loving Maurice, the Crochet Master. If you want to follow me on my social media, that is Instagram, it is still Maurice, the Crochet Master. For that, we can chat more. That is my personal account. So let's get on this one and we do some magic. I always want to do she wants something very official, but I always do the things in two ways. It can be official, at the same time someone can use it on occasion. So what I first do is those things that you've been seeing me doing. I was trying to do a sketch, then I try to roll the facing like this. You see how I'm rolling it, and when I do that, there's some hair I had left here. I try to put it here, and then I try to pull this one. I'm pulling it because I'm trying to get my invisible line. You understand what I'm doing? I'm trying to get my invisible line. I separate it from the invisible line. So then we try to tie from behind. We try to tie it just like that. And when I'm done tying, yes, after doing that, then I come again. I try to show you how I've done it. You can see, just tying from behind, you can see how I've done it. Yes, just like that. And then you have to remove this thread. At times it's good to always follow all these steps, because trust me, when you follow this step like this and you do it this exactly way, trust me, it will come out the way you see it. So when you're trying to bring this, remember, spring twist for it is very, very easy to style. It is very easy to style in that it is already neat. It's already neat itself. So when you're styling it, it will always give you the good result. So I'm trying to bring this down here, just because sometimes there are some people who play crochets and they be like, I don't want it to fall on my face, I don't want it to be falling. Yes, like at times it is disturbing when someone is trying maybe to hold it, because there are some people that will leave it falling down, and when they're trying to hold it, they just get like this side, the side ones, and they tie them. So at times they tie it very tightly, so that and when it's that tight, you find the corners starting becoming loose, and it gets out, or even it breaks the hairline. So it's always good, try to be gentle, and when you're holding those spring twists. Then here I'm doing this so that it doesn't disturb her at all when she's going maybe to sleep or to do something else. So this is what I just do. I just keep on pinning this way. And when we try to talk about styling, the only thing I would try to advise you, and something I would like to tell you, is when you're styling, make sure that your pins are not visible. You understand? Yes, your pins are not visible. We're not supposed to see those pins. So you just have to make sure that you pin it without showing the pins. You understand what I'm saying? So this is how we do, and I'm trying to finish all the hair so that it's all on top. Yes, I'm trying to finish all the hair so that it's all on top, so that yes, just like that. I'm pinning it, and after that, those clients, like when you're done doing this way, they be like, now just sew it there. Like you just sew it and it stays there for for a while, like maybe a month, when it is just there firm like that. And then those ones would be like, no way, I want mine to be falling down, or I want mine to I want mine to just tell them and you pin. So that maybe when I'm tired, I will just remove the pins. That would be like 3 days. Yes, I can remove the pins and I do myself. But those ones who like to sew it after styling it this way and they like the style, and then they be like, you just style it, I don't want it to fall down. So this is how we do it, and this is how we do it. You just make sure you pin it very, very well, and you don't have to show the pins. Wow. Yes, I like it already. So when you're done with that, I remember I had left these ones, and I'm trying to bring it this way, so that this one I always do it sometimes. Those ones with long foreheads, those tops I want to be showing you when you start joining me online lessons. Those topics I would be showing you to do when someone has got a long forehead, when someone got short forehead, how you supposed to style, and how do you get the art, like, yes, how we'll be giving you those basics. If someone has got a short forehead, the way you're supposed to style them, and those ones with long forehead, the way you're supposed to style them. Wow, you can see how I did it. It is like this, and I know, like, at times she's going to be like, we saw it so that it can remain there, but this can be office, and at times if she wants, it can be casual, you understand? So you can skip on seeing some other hairstyles that comes from Spring Twist, and trust me, you will like them. So for now, I sign out, guys, and let's see you in my other next videos. Trust me, you're going to love them. Bye bye. See you guys. See what Spring Twist does. Thank you.